Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today, we're talking about digital marketing strategy, the best approach, and examples. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now, this is the first part of several videos that will cover your strategic approach to digital marketing before I then move on to the platforms themselves. So let's ask the question, what is a digital marketing strategy? So generally speaking, it's a set of actions that you determine that you will use on your online channels to achieve your marketing goals. Now, these channels encompass owned, paid, and earned media. Now, I say a set of actions that you determine because your strategy is unique to your business and will encompass a combination of approaches. Now, before I launch in, I should make a clear differentiation between digital marketing campaigns and your digital marketing strategy. So your strategy is where you define the upper level goals that you want to achieve through online marketing. This could be, for instance, to increase your customer base. Marketing campaigns are more granular in scope. They have a more specific focus in terms of messaging and possibly target audience. Although they do support the overarching strategic goals, they have their own set of performance indicators. So the upshot is that if you want your campaigns to succeed, you need to first develop the strategy. Now, in this video, I will cover step 1 of your strategy, buyer personas. So a buyer persona is a detailed description of someone who represents your target audience. Now, this is not a real customer, but a fictional person who embodies the characteristics of your best potential customers. Most companies have a few types of people interested in their products or services. So you might actually develop a few of these profiles that can then be utilized in more specific campaigns. So where to start? Well, begin by creating your buyer personas from gathered customer statistics. Sources might include your website, through analytical tools such as Google Analytics, research interviews through either one-on-one or online forms such as surveys, focus groups, social media channels by monitoring the behavior of current followers. Now, these are just a few ideas to get you started. The information you want to gather begins with demographics such as location, age, income, job title, then move on to more behavioral and psychographic information. Build out your persona by developing this person's life goals and challenges, hobbies, and interests. If you can combine these findings into a target profile, this will be extremely helpful in creating your campaigns moving forward. You can even give your customer persona a name, Gerald for male or Candace for female. Create a quick reference card that has your breakdown and simple animated graphic of the customer. Basically, the more you can humanize them, the better. You have to believe that you are reaching out and engaging with this person who is open to your product or service. Now, as you prepare to tackle the marketing strategy and customer personas, make sure that you have a great team around you. This analysis is really hard to do by yourself. You need input from others so that you don't get swamped in your own subjectivity. If you don't have a team per se, reach out to some trusted people whose opinions matter to you. See if you can steal a few hours of their time. Trust me, it will be worth it in the long run. Now, in my next video on strategy, I will be covering step 2, setting your strategic goals. A good marketing strategy has short, medium, and long-term goals. So it's important to set these benchmarks from the very beginning so you know where you're heading. But more on that next time. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content, and never miss an episode. The links are below. I will see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.